Hello, welcome to Amiga Alive. This is part 5. Recently, the first public demo of upcoming Amiga game Dread has been released. You've probably heard about this amazing project by KK from Altair before. Dread is a new first-person shooter heavily inspired by Doom from 1993 by id Software. And it's designed to run on a stock 7 MHz Amiga computer. Many Amigans will remember the famous, or maybe infamous, cite by Doom author John Carmack, who said it would be impossible to achieve a decent frame rate in such a game on an Amiga computer due to the Amiga's planar graphics system. Well, KK from Altair makes the impossible possible. Dread works really well on an unexpanded Amiga 500, as has already been shown in a lot of videos. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Dread demo running on a couple of different Amiga configurations. We'll start with an Amiga 500 equipped with a 68010 CPU and additional memory. My playing here is not to be taken serious at all. This is just a single map demo, and Dread gameplay has already been shown many times. Well, it's pretty much Doom after all. So this entire video is just about frame rate and compatibility. Let's see how Dread performs on a stock Amiga 1200, which has a 68020 CPU running at 14 MHz. As we have seen, it's really playable on 7 MHz, but on this configuration it's starting to look really smooth. I wanted him to get me. Finally got him. This is an Amiga 500 with a terrible fire accelerator. It has a 68030 CPU running at 40 MHz and some real fast RAM. setting mouse sensitivity improves control. By the way, the little number you see in the top left corner of the screen indicates how long it took the game to draw a frame in relation to vertical screen blanks. As we are always running Dread in the same screen mode, which is PAL low res, a lower number means a higher frame rate. With the 68030 CPU, we're getting pretty close to 1, which means the graphics are redrawn almost on every vertical screen blank. And this is an Amiga 1200 with a Microbotics M1230XA accelerator. It's a 68030 CPU running at 50 MHz. Let's take a look at Dread's different graphics rendering modes. Interesting. Some little graphics glitches, maybe due to the accelerator's timing or so? I think default mode looks best. And finally, let's try Dread on an Amiga 1200 with a 68040 CPU at 40 MHz and some 32-bit power burst mode fast RAM. Interesting. Well, maybe this just would have been too good to be true. Remember, this is an early demo release, work still in progress. It's not a fully tested and polished game. Glitches like this one are expected and not a big deal. Also, I guess this might happen due to the accelerator's RAM speed settings. Power burst mode fast RAM might be just a little too much for an Amiga 500 game. The final game will probably run fine on 68040 and even 060 CPUs, and will of course have more than just one map, plus maybe additional features like music and multiplayer modes. Big thank you and huge respect to KK. Awesome job, and we are very much looking forward to future updates. If you want to check out the demo yourself, go to KK's YouTube channel and look for download links in the demo release video's description, or maybe you'll find more up-to-date links in one of his future videos. Make sure you visit KK's Patreon page and show your support by giving him some money. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again.